Awesome! This is a road roller. It uses its heavy roller to flatten hot asphalt. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Cabin and chair. Wheel. Wheel. Engine and steering console. Roller. Exhaust pipe. Cabin and chair. Frame. Engine and steering console. Engine and steering console. Engine and steering console. Cabin and chair. Frame. Exhaust pipe. Roller. Exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe. Yes! You got it! Well done!